Hi, I'm Stephen Bennett. I'm Gil Bennet's eldest grandson. So he was my papa, we called him. I distinctly remember my grandfather being in his little workshop under the house. I'd come home from primary school and stop by, and he'd be making spheres. He'd have a plastic apron on, and he'd be grinding his spheres and making spheres, and we'd sit there and chat for a while, and then I'd go up and see Grandma for a cup of tea. When he finished his building career in Tamworth, building houses, he started his collection then. So it's really a retirement hobby. I think it spanned a 15-year period, and his collection was built up over that time. Grandpa travelled all of Australia collecting stones, and people got to know of him and his hobby, and they'd actually hold stones for him around the country. Grandpa's favourite rock would have been rhodonite. It's a local stone, a reddish hue. He made numerous spheres out of rhodonite.
I'm Rob Southwell. I'm the treasurer of the Tamworth Lapidary Club. I've been in it for 16 years in the Lapidary Club, and this club's been going since 1965. It's our 60th year. We got a beautiful collection from Gil Bennet and other people. We teach people how to do cabochons, cut rock, polish rock. Some make clocks, some make spheres.
And my name is Joanne, and I'm the secretary of this club, and I've been here for 10 years. To make a sphere like Gil has on display here, it takes 40 hours, and to start off with, you are actually cutting the rock into a square, cutting the rock into 8 pieces or 8 sides, and then more sides until it gets to the stage where you can make it round, and then it goes into a machine which takes another few hours to polish and make it beautiful like his display.